Hi, I'm Basil and welcome back to another icing tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make sprinkles. Sprinkles are a really great way to use up all of your leftover icing, or maybe it's a little bit old. So what you'll need is lots of lovely icing in a selection of colours of your choosing, and some baking paper. We're going to be doing probably the easiest way of doing sprinkles, which is lines and dots. So we're just going to ice lots of lines in different colours and some dots, and then we're going to let it dry. I am just going to cut all of my bags just a little thicker, and that's just going to make it easier to ice. So just going to create some really long lines. Don't worry if they break, because we're just going to cut up all the lines afterwards. Okay, so now we're going to move on to dots. So I'm just touching down and then stopping, squeezing before pulling up. Great, so I'm just finishing up, and now I'm going to put these to one side and I'm going to let them dry, and then we're going to move on to a slightly harder technique, which is making little sprinkle objects. I'm going to be doing some lovely festive holly leaves, but you can do whatever you want. Candy canes, stars. If you can dream it, it can happen in icing. So I'm just going to squidge the shape into the paper. And I'm going to add some berries. So I've got all my sprinkles iced. And I'm just going to let these dry, and I recommend leaving them for a couple of hours just to be on the safe side. The thicker the sprinkle, the longer you're going to need to leave them for. So it's been about an hour and the sprinkles are ready to go in the bowl. Just going to agitate the sprinkles a little bit. So any tough ones, you can just scrape them off with a knife. So I'm just going to break up the sprinkles with a knife. Okay, so we have our holly sprinkles, and these have been drying for about 2 hours. When they're dry, they should just pop off the paper when you move it like that. You can store these in an airtight container for up to 1 month. Okay, so that was our sprinkles tutorial. I'm really excited to see what sprinkles you come up with. Make sure you tag Biscuit is Limited on Instagram, and I can't wait to see.